Hi guys. Welcome to this video. In this video we continue collocations consist of noun and adjective. In this video, adjectives start with the letter G and H. First part is about the collocations with the first letter, G. Gap year. A year between leaving school and starting university. Example: Jack took a gap year to travel before coming to university. Gentle exercise. Exercise not involving too much physical effort. Example: I do some gentle exercise as part of my daily routine. Good cause. An organization, activity or charity that is not managed for profit that helps people in need. Example: John spent a half of his income on good causes. Good luck. It means a phrase used to wish someone success or wish fortune on someone. Example: good luck in your final exam. Good time. It means a fun or enjoyable experience. Example: we had a good time at the party. Great deal of. The meaning is a very large amount of or quantity of something. Example: we spent a great deal of time on this project. Growing number of. It means an increasing number of. Example: a growing number of people are studying English. Guilty conscience. The meaning is a feeling of shame experienced by someone after doing something wrong or bad. For example, we could see that she had a guilty conscience about this. Guilty party. The person or people who have done something wrong or bad. Example: the guilty party has not been able to identify. Golden sands. It means sands are bright yellow in color. For example, we wandered for miles along the golden sands. Guided tour. Example: those who first visit the castle will be recommended to go on a guided tour. Good team player. It means a person who works well with other people as part of a team or group. For example, are you a good team player? Good company. The meaning is someone who people enjoy spending time with. For example, Bill and Jack are good company, so I always invite them to my parties. Second part is related to the adjectives which started with the letter H. Historic city. It means a city that is old and interesting or impressive. London is the historic city of England. Hectic lifestyle. It means a busy lifestyle. Example: almost young people these days lives a hectic lifestyle. High yield investment. The meaning is investments with high rates of return. For example, this is a high yield investment opportunity. Handwritten manuscript. The meaning is a manuscript that is written by using a pen or a pencil, instead of being typed. Example: he is going to submit his handwritten manuscript to a publisher tomorrow. High street. The meaning is the main street of a town. Many people go shopping at retail outlets on the high street. Heated debate. An argument or a discussion in which people express different opinions in an angry and excited way. For example, hot topics often cause some heated debate. Higher education. For example, education and training at a college or university where subjects are studied at an advanced level. Happy ending. It means the last part of a story, a novel, film, etc., in which the plot achieves a happy resolution. For example, Many films and novels don't have happy endings. Happy hour. A period of time, usually in late afternoon and early evening, when alcoholic drinks are sold at a lower price than usual in a bar or a pub. For example, happy hour in our bar runs from 5 o'clock to 7:30. Hard work. Any activity that requires a lot of energy, effort or endurance. For example, it takes hard work to be successful in politics. Healthy diet. Balanced diet. Example. If you have a healthy diet, you will get all the vitamins you need. Heavily armed. Carrying many dangerous weapons. For example, that is a group of heavily armed men. Heavy drinker. It means a person who drinks a lot of alcohol. For example, luckily, my father is not a heavy drinker. Heavy schedule. The meaning is a schedule which is full of activity, or very busy. Example. My schedule is very heavy today, so I won't have time to play tennis. Heavy smoker. A person who smokes a lot of cigarettes. Example. Jane really hates heavy smokers. Heavy traffic. It means the traffic that is so many vehicles or people that it is difficult to move around. Example. Heavy traffic took place on the roads this morning. High quality. It means very good quality. Example. This range of wines is all high quality. High standard. Very good standard. For example, Mark always produces work of a high standard. Honest mistake. It means a mistake that wasn't made intentionally. Example. It was just an honest mistake, so don't worry about it. Human error. The meaning is a mistake caused by a person, as contrasted with a mechanical or electronic malfunction. Example. The train crash was blamed on human error. Heavy snow. A large amount of snow. A heavy snow was falling during the night. Heavy clouds. Thick clouds. Dense cloud. Example. There are heavy clouds in the sky. Home-cooked food. Food which is prepared and eaten at home. Example. My father prefers home-cooked food rather than street food. High-powered job. The meaning is a job which is very important and powerful in a company. For example, my father has a high-powered job as an attorney. Heavy cold. It means a bad cold. Example. She was suffered from a heavy cold last week. High-rise flats. It means flats in a very tall building. Example. She's living in a high-rise flat with 2 balconies. Heavy workload. A large amount of work that is expected to be done within a specific amount of time. Example. John was suffering from stress caused by his heavy workload.